When a senior integrity engineer retires after 30 years, she does not just take her technical skills with her. She takes thousands of small judgments that were never written down. The threshold where she escalates a corrosion anomaly. The reason she trusts one inspection reading and questions another. That kind of knowledge lives in people, not in databases, and when people leave, most of it leaves too. Experience transfer memory is our attempt to keep the judgment even when the person moves on. Industrial organizations already document a great deal. Reports, dashboards, and standard operating procedures all capture what to do. What they tend to miss is how an expert actually thinks about what to do. The maintenance planner who knows which contractors really deliver on time. The vibration analyst who recognizes a specific bearing failure signature that the textbooks never describe. The operations engineer who knows a particular compressor runs differently in winter because of a modification made 8 years ago that nobody documented. That is the layer we wanted to capture, and it is the layer that usually slips through the cracks. Here is the core idea. When an experienced user works with a Lumina agent, the agent learns through the interaction itself. There is no separate training project. It happens as part of the normal work. Picture a senior vibration analyst reviewing pump data. She flags a vibration component as concerning at a level that sits below the generic alarm, and the agent learns that this pump family has a tighter acceptable range. She points out that the bearing was replaced 6 months ago, so the growth rate matters more than the absolute number, and the agent learns to weigh maintenance history. She decides to escalate now rather than wait for the scheduled check, and the agent learns her escalation criteria for that mix of factors. None of that was programmed. It emerged from the conversation and was encoded as structured operational judgment. This is the part that tends to get misunderstood, so let me be precise. Experience transfer memory does not just store raw conversations. It distills them into structured knowledge. Decision patterns, like when a corrosion growth rate crosses a certain point in a given segment, escalate. Contextual thresholds tuned to a specific pump family rather than the generic alarm. Reasoning chains that connect a rising trend to the time since the last replacement. And outcome records, like what happened the last time maintenance was deferred on this asset under similar conditions. Because it is structured this way, the agent does not simply repeat what it was told. It can apply that learned judgment to new data and new questions it has not seen before. Now the transfer. When a different user, say a junior engineer in another region, opens a session with the same kind of agent, that accumulated expertise is already there. The agent suggests the learned thresholds, offers the escalation criteria, and supplies context the junior engineer would not have had on their own. The junior engineer does not need to know which senior colleague that judgment came from. The agent presents it as part of its domain knowledge, much like a well-trained junior applying lessons from a mentor. And this works across sessions. A Tuesday morning review by the senior analyst can inform a Wednesday afternoon session for someone else entirely. The learning is persistent and cumulative. Experience transfer memory also reaches beyond one person's expertise into organizational decision tracking. When a cross-functional call is made, like a maintenance deferral approved through vertical intelligence traversal inside Lumina Cortex, the agents involved keep watching the outcome. If that deferral later leads to an unplanned failure, the consequence is captured. The vibration agent records that it flagged a 60 to 90-day window and the failure happened around day 72. The maintenance agent records the cost of the unplanned repair against the planned one. The finance agent records the production loss. The next time a similar question comes up, those agents reason from accumulated experience, not just the current data. The organization tends to get a little smarter with each decision, whether the outcome was good or bad. This is why the idea matters right now. The energy sector is facing a real retirement wave, with decades of asset-specific judgment walking out the door faster than it can be replaced. Experience transfer memory does not stop the retirement. It works to keep the judgment from leaving with the person. It can help carry strong expertise from one region to teams that have less of it. It can give new hires access to accumulated judgment from their first day, not to replace mentorship, but to support it. And it turns the hundreds of decisions an organization makes every month into a learning loop instead of knowledge that quietly disappears. Experience transfer. Memory is one of the foundations beneath Lumina Cortex, the layer that gives our agents depth instead of just current data and static rules. If you want to see how organizations can build intelligence that stays, this is where it begins.